Guys, come outside and help me scrap this unit here. We need to get some of these copper tint windows. Yeah, we need this one right here on the side. Get this back one out. These are clear glass, as you can see, so we're scrapping these doors. Might steal that gold handle first, or that chrome handle first. This back window, we need this one here with the defrost lines. And this one doesn't look tinted. This one is not tinted. That is weird. This is definitely a copper tint. No, that's not a copper tint either. What the fuck? Alright, well, looks like we're taking the one window. And I'm just going to show you my method for this. So I'm just going to get in the truck and I'm going to brace myself. And of course, all these side windows have a little rust. You know, they usually have a rust spot along the bottom sill. If you don't see one outside, there might be one underneath inside. So, yeah, I'm just going to get myself propped against the back door. So I got the back door resting against my own back. And I'm going to pull out the special window removal tool. There we go. There we go. Alright. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you remove a window from the back seat or from the rear of the Trooper. Don't forget to use your special window removal tool. And of course, you don't want to kick it too hard, because you can see with just enough force, it hangs there waiting for me to come out and pick it up with my hands. Alright, good luck to you. And your glass windows, keep the rubber side down.